Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So first update the Intel driver. So click to start, type device manager, open it, and then find out the network adapter. This is so in this area it will show Intel Wi-Fi 7 BE210 on this place. Okay, so right click to property, then click to advanced options, then ultra high brand 6, it's make sure enable. Like suppose this is ultra high brand and you have to select to click to enable it, and after that okay, and then close it. Then guys, reset wireless adapter drive adapter. So guys, click to start, type cmd, and then right click to run as administrator. Then guys, this command one by one use. Okay, in here. Okay, one by one, this is last command. It will shut down, and when you enter after that it will shut down it, and then again start. Then next step, then next, Intel Wi-Fi 7 BE210 need to download the driver. Open any browser, in the Google search box to type, click to search box, type and driver download, and then hit enter. Then select website, means this is official website, click on it. Then this is download icon, click I agree, and after that it will start like this. Then it is completed, click on open file, then click to next, then I accept team, and then click to next. Now it is installing, wait few seconds. So it is installed successfully, and then finish it, and then close. Then next, and very important for your system, repair Windows file, click to start, type cmd, and right click to run as administrator. Okay, then type this command dism. You can copy paste, otherwise you can type manually. After that it will start the percentage. So this will restore your corrupted file health via this command, and when it is completed then try to second one. So second one is sfc sfc space less scan now, and then hit enter. So same, it will start the percentage. So when it is completed, then restart your system and plan, then please check it if your issue is resolved. So not, please tell me in the comment. Okay, thank you.